Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have a Tesla charger. And when you're charging your car and it's raining outside and stuff, are you ever afraid that maybe it's just gonna get wet in there and gonna ruin your charger? Well, I have the solution right here. This is really cool because in the snow or ice or something like that, sometimes you just want to charge your car and you don't want it to get frozen in there or whatever it is. But this is a cute little magnetized device, and it just kind of goes around the charger. You can see it's got a hole in the other side, so you just stick your charger through it. I'm charging in my garage, so clearly it doesn't matter here, but I was just saying if I was at a supercharger or something like that in the ice or just anywhere, you could use this. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is possible, but it's just not the easiest thing. But you can see it's got those like magnets in there, and now it's magnetized on my car. You see a nice blue cover on my blue car. Works out nice. And then it just kind of just drapes over there and just keeps it from getting yucky and snowy and nasty or whatever. So it's just kind of nice to keep it clean. I like it. So it's kind of cool. I think I might start using it when I go to a charging station too. It also kind of deters people from touching your car. I mean, not really a charging station, but if I'm at one of those hotels overnight, something like that, it's just kind of nice to put on there. I usually use one of those little locking devices with the converters and stuff like that. But this is, just super nice. And it's just so, convenient and small, and it just folds up like this. It's got the little Velcro on it, so just wrap it up. Just, easier than wrapping up an umbrella, and it just kind of goes around. And initially, I was thinking, oh yeah, this is great. I'll just stick it in one of those little corner sections in the trunk. But really where I'd want to put it would be like on the side of the door, because I don't open up my trunk when I go charging. I just, go out the door. So that's probably what I'll end up doing to store that. But it's really cool. I'm giving it a thumbs up. So I like this little thing. It's just a nice little magnetized cover for your, charging port. Great.